match colors in Photoshop. Welcome to another quick Photoshop tutorial. Today we will show you how to do color correction of your photograph using Photoshop's match color option. First, you have to neutralize color, then you can control luminance and color intensity of your photograph. So let's make it in 2 minutes. Thank you for watching this tutorial. You may forget to drop a like, leave a comment or to subscribe, but don't forget to check out our other tutorials. We have a lot of those just waiting for you. Check those out.